Hello and welcome to Spatial Data Hub. This is the first of many videos in my PostgreSQL playlist, and what I'll be showing you here is a beginner's welcome to PostgreSQL, how to download the software application, how to set it up, how to install it, how to install special extensions, how to create a database using pgadmin. So you can check the description for each time section if you want to skip for subscribers only. So do well to subscribe to my channel and welcome to Special Data Hub. Let's get into download PostgreSQL application. You can simply go to your Google search and type in Postgres. The very first website is the official website, postgresql.org. Click on download. You select the OS of your choice. Mine is Windows, and then download the installer. You can see my cursor. Here you can now go on to select the particular version that fits your um, PC, your laptop. As you see here, not all versions support all OS. For the Windows, you should confirm from your PC if it's 64 bits or 32 bits. The 32-bit OS of Windows is no longer supported from the version 10. So just click on download here and proceed. So any of the versions which you prefer. I already have this, so we'll go on to the next stage, which is installing it. To install, we'll run this as an administrator. Right click, run as administrator. Yes. Next. You select the directory which you want it to be saved. I'll just go with the default, but if you have any other preferred choices, then you can do that. Here you can use it to select which of the extensions, which of the components of PostgreSQL will be installed. I'll leave all of it, so just next. And then you use this to select the directory where your data will be stored. I'll leave the default. Then you can enter a password. Next. Select the ports, I'll leave the defaults. Select the local, I'll leave the defaults. And then install. Alright, so once it's done, you click on finish and you set up your stack builder, PostgreSQL, yeah. Make sure to have your internet connection set up. This is our special extension. If you are using it for any other stuff, that's different. But if you want to activate your PostGIS, then you should install the PostGIS extension. Click on it, the plus minus sign here, and select PostGIS download. Next, I'll just type the details here. Next. Yeah, we all agree. Next, next, and it's installing. This is let's see, so let's see what that comes up with. Setting up your Jigger, your drivers, and everything, and so on. So, once I don't close it,